First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Data Eraser page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Click Trust on your iPhone to make the program recognize it. To factory reset an iPhone completely, click Erase on the connected interface. Tap Medium to select a security level, low level, medium level, and high level, then click OK. Enter Delete to the designated field, and click the Erase icon at the bottom. Next, click OK on the pop-up to confirm your action. After that, the software will begin to erase your iPhone. After erasing, the program will reboot your device. Unlock your iPhone if prompted, and click Try again. Now, the software will overwrite your device. It will take some time, please be patient. When the process is finished, your iPhone data and settings will be erased thoroughly.